All right, welcome to week number 8 of EDT 530. I'm going to go over in this video just the overview for the work for the coming week. Reminder right off the bat that next week there is no class because it is spring break for Central. So you get a week away from the class. So enjoy that time away. And also looking backwards, apologize for the last minute changes last week. But with the snow, my schedule's changed, and also we got guidance from the university, which I was sort of unaware of, but that they were requesting that on days where the university is shut down, that even online classes not meet synchronously. So because of both of those things, last week was canceled, as you know. I will just move the topic from last week to our next discussion forum, which will be in a few weeks, and we will catch up with it then. So in terms of this week, we are in the middle of a 5-week stretch where we're looking at different types of instructional materials. The first week we looked at graphics. Then last time was focused on audio. The focus this week is going to be on video. So you will not be creating a video this week. There is not a production mini project this week. That will come after our next class, because in our next class, we're going to take a look at animation, which is kind of a partner to video. And once we've gone through both video and animation, then you will be doing a production mini project where you will choose one of those two modes to create a little multimedia thing for your projects. So in terms of this week, the work is pretty straightforward. Um, to start off with, there's a quick article to read that just is an introduction to instructional video and why it is a useful tool and some strategies for creating videos and so on. So start by going through that reading. And then the main work for this week is a video analysis activity. And what you're going to be doing in this activity, this is set up in a wiki format, is I have provided you with 4 videos. All of them are designed to be instructional. So when these videos were created by their creators, their goal was to teach you something. So these are along the lines of what we are looking to use in our own projects. And what I would like you to do is to pick 2 of the 4. You can pick whichever 2 you would like. And you're going to write up a little analysis of the 2 videos that you've chosen. Looking at what worked, what didn't work, maybe making some suggestions for how the videos might be improved. And the idea behind that is to give you a little practical experience looking at instructional videos, so that when you get to a point of creating your own or selecting instructional videos for yourself, that you've got some examples in mind, either positive or negative examples, so that you know what to look for. So once you've picked your 2, each of you has a wiki page set up where you're going to do your analysis. And when you go to that page, it's pretty straightforward with the prompts here. You'll click Edit Wiki Content so that you can then add in your own write-ups. You'll just put in the video number 1, 2, 3, or 4 from the 4 videos, so I know which video you were looking at. And then you're going to give me a paragraph or 2 on the strengths of the video, paragraph or 2 on the weaknesses of that video, and then a paragraph or 2 of suggestions, if anything, that you would suggest to the creator of the video in order to improve the video. And then you'll do the same thing for the second video that you picked. And then the final question here is sort of a comparison. Which of the 2 videos did you feel was a more effective instructional tool? And you can talk a little bit about why you picked the one that you picked. So so that's the main activity this week, is doing that analysis of those instructional videos. Beyond that, I did throw a discussion forum in this week, since we are not doing any production this week. Again, focused on instructional video, just asking you to reflect on some experience that you've had with an instructional video, either positive or negative, and just asking you to kind of reflect on that. And this is a discussion forum, so once you have your post up, take a look and see what other students have posted about their experiences and contribute to some conversations around this topic. And then the final thing for this week is getting phase 3 of our technology integration plan projects underway. Phase 2 is technically due this week, and I will start to take a look at those as they come in. Phase 3 is going to be about, let me go back here to the actual instructions. Phase 3 is going to be about the actual technology piece of the technology integration plan. So there will be 2 directions that this may go in depending on what your focus is. If your technology integration plan is about bringing a technology into a classroom, then what phase 3 is going to be about is finding the technology that you are actually going to propose using. So say you identified an issue revolving around, I don't know, say teacher being able to display things on a board in class while at the same time also uh, sending that video out or that feed out to students who might be participating online. I'm just picking something here. Then what you would be doing here is looking out there, seeing what technologies exist that might be potential solutions, and you will then be analyzing those solutions against each other and coming to a decision of one that you're actually going to propose moving forward with. So in that case, and it could be software too. You could be looking for a particular piece of software that you can use in the classroom to address an issue. So that would be one model of what'll be going on here. Some of you are doing technology integration plans that are more focused on training. There's already a technology that's in hand, and what you are looking to do is to better integrate that technology into the classrooms through training or additional support for the teachers or the staff or the students that need to use it. So obviously in this case, the technology is already in place. So what you will be doing in phase 3 is just describing the technology that is currently there. What is it? Who made it? What does it do? Things like that. The bulk of your work is going to come in the next phase, which is going to be the professional development slash training phase. While those folks that are looking for new technology, this phase is going to be kind of the heavier of the phases of this project. So in either case, that is what phase 3 is about the actual hardware and or software that is the focus of this technology plan, whether it's technology that you are looking to identify or whether it's technology that's already in place that you are looking to provide training for. So all of the details are here. And this, just like with all the phases, is not due for several weeks until April 4th, I think it is. It's week 11. So we have just under a month to get phase 3 in. So there's plenty of time to work on that. But when you do get it completed, then you can upload your finished document here. All right, so that is the overview for the week. It's the main focus is instructional video, but not necessarily in you making the videos, but at this point, just analyzing and getting comfortable with knowing what good instructional video looks like. And then again, once we've gone through next class on animation, then you will be working to create a short instructional video of your own that will be part of your lesson plan projects. All right, that is that. Again, no class next week. It is spring break. And I will see you all virtually the week after. And the focus that week is going to be animation and a program called Powtoon. All right, enjoy the next couple of weeks, and I will see you after spring break.